Mindfulness and gratitude. Embrace mindfulness, the here and now. It's not just meditation, it's a state of being, a journey into self-awareness. Pause, breathe, feel the moment. It's a gift, a treasure. Every breath you take, feel the gratitude. Gratitude isn't just saying thanks. It's acknowledging life's bounty. The sunrise, a smile, a helping hand. Remember, gratitude is a magnet for miracles. It transforms how you see the world, it opens the door to abundance. Now, take a moment, be mindful, be grateful. This is your journey, make it extraordinary. Mindfulness and gratitude. In the hustle and bustle of life, we often forget to simply pause and breathe. But let's change that. Let's awaken to the beauty of the present moment, to the concept of mindfulness and gratitude. Mindfulness is the undiluted essence of focusing on the here and now. It's not about ruminating over the past or worrying about the future. It's about embracing the present with all your heart, with all your soul. Imagine savoring every bite of your meal, feeling the cool breeze stroke your cheek, or hearing the symphony of rain splattering on the window. That's mindfulness, a sense of aliveness that brings profound joy. Alongside mindfulness, exists another beautiful sentiment, gratitude. It's about acknowledging the everyday blessings that we often ignore. It's about saying thank you to the universe for all the beautiful moments and lessons. It's about appreciating the sunrise that paints the sky with hope every morning. It's about being thankful for the people who make life worth living. It's about cherishing every breath that reminds us we are alive. When we embrace mindfulness and gratitude, we start seeing life through a new lens. We begin to realize that happiness is not a destination, but a journey enriched by simple pleasures and humble acknowledgments. Mindfulness and gratitude go hand in hand. As we become more aware of our present moment, we naturally become more grateful. And as we cultivate gratitude, we naturally become more present. Your mind becomes a garden, flourishing with positivity, love, and contentment. Stress, anxiety, and negativity start to lose their grip. You become the master of your thoughts, the painter of your own canvas. So, let's start this journey today. Take a deep breath, feel the air filling your lungs, and as you release, let go of your worries. Feel the essence of being alive, right here, right now. Now, close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for. They can be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or as profound as the love of your family. Feel the gratitude radiating from your heart. Every day, practice this. Be mindful of your surroundings, be grateful for your blessings. You'll start to see a shift, a transformation within you. Your world will change, one mindful moment and one grateful thought at a time. Remember, mindfulness and gratitude are not just concepts, they are ways of life. Embrace them, and watch as they color your world with shades of joy, serenity, and fulfillment that you never knew existed.